Subscribe to our YouTube channel and press the bell icon to never miss a video from Radio Nasha.
If you want to have a healthy snack, you could have fruits, you could have hummus and veggie sticks, you could have makhana in reasonable quantity, you could have yogurt with nuts. So there's lots of options. It's not that we don't know the options, we just reach out for the samosa, jalebi, sandwich.
Correct.
Everyone knows क्या खाना चाहिए और क्या नहीं खाना चाहिए. Everyone knows.
That is true. Hi, it's me Ada on FitStar Special and we're back with another trainer coach. She's insane. So अगर आप उनके Instagram पर देखें आजकल वहीं पर सारा बायोडेटा मिलता है. So she's a fitness coach. She is ACSM, Les Mills and CrossFit. ये सारे का मतलब क्या है? It is already so complicated and she's going to ease it out for you. She's also an amazing dancer and a friend. And let's welcome Hannah हमारे साथ on FitStar. How are you doing? कैसी जिंदगी कैसी चल रही है?
बस चल रही है अभी. मतलब getting back to normal apparently.
Everybody, this is Hannah. Hannah, please tell us. इससे पहले कि हम सवालों के ऊपर जाए rapid fire. What is ACSM, Les Mills, and
ACSM is American Council of Sports Medicine. It's not Les Mills, if I may correct you. It's Les Mills. So Les Mills is group exercise. Basically, it's different forms of group exercise. So I used to specify in boxing, mixed martial arts, yoga, tai chi, pilates, weight training, a mixture of everything. So Les Mills is basically the program, a group of programs rather. And CrossFit, if you don't know, तो आप exercise नहीं करते.
नहीं, I know CrossFit. Actually, you know what? ये full forms and explanation मैं हमारे viewers के लिए भी पूछ रही हूँ because a lot of people are very new to fitness, so we like to hear it from the experts' mouth. I mean,
CrossFit is a mixture of gymnastic moves, a mixture of Olympic weightlifting and Metcon, that is metabolic conditioning. So you could say it's a mixture of cardio as well as weights, done at high intensities. It's not just the rope, battle rope and the tire flipping, which a lot of people proclaim to be CrossFit. That's definitely not CrossFit. Olympic lifting is a very integral part of the CrossFit sport because it is a sport world over. It's not a program person. It's a sport.
So ये सब coach करती हैं, खुद भी करती हैं, and we're gonna get to know Hannah a little bit more right away. So let's start with the FitStar questions. Number 1, Hannah बताएं fitness का मतलब आपने कब समझा life में?
अभी तक समझ ही रही हूँ. I guess it's an ever learning process. But if I have to explain it, I would say that most of us हम सारे start करते हैं aesthetics के लिए, workout करना या diet करना. I've learned that it's more than just that. You work towards getting fitter, stronger, faster, and leading a healthier life. Wo aesthetics will follow. So I'm still learning. We'll always be learning.
That is true. We all will. सवाल नंबर 2, exercise से प्यार कैसे हुआ?
मैं पहले बहुत मोटी हुई करती थी, फिर मुझे weight loss करना था, इसलिए exercise से प्यार करना पड़ा. I guess we take those telebrand ads. So let me put it that way. I used to be obese and unhealthy, not just, I wouldn't say just aesthetically. I was really unhealthy. I couldn't even walk without getting out of breath. And I took to diet and exercise. I wouldn't say diet, I'd say eating healthier, reading about exercise, reading about fitness and health. And then started firstly running, dancing. I guess the stuff जिसमें सोचना ना पड़े, because when you've never stepped into a gym, आपको ऐसे uncomfortable या intimidated लगता है. So मेरे लिए it was more about what could I do when I didn't have to think. So that was running and that was dancing. उसके बाद it went into fitness and weight training, etc. etc. So exercise से प्यार, I think initial phase में प्यार कभी नहीं होता है. It's always about कि scale कितना कम हो रहा है या clothes कितने ढीले पड़ रहे हैं. And once you get into it, it's better you choose something that you enjoy. So I guess I think 1-2 years into exercising तब प्यार हुआ. पहले साल में तो बिल्कुल प्यार नहीं था.
This sounds more like some arranged marriage or something.
Yeah, I guess so.
तीसरा सवाल है, your biggest transformation, weight loss अगर numbers बोले या muscle gain, I'm talking about that transformation, तो आपको क्या रहा life में?
It's mine only, I think. I used to be around 90 kgs and then I came down to 46 kgs. So in terms of kgs, that was the loss.
क्या वो कैलकुलेशन क्या है 46 to 90?
No, I'm 46 was the minimal weight that I was. I think I'm now around 52 kgs, but I did drop to 46. Well, there is a saying na ki you can never be too rich or too thin in life, which is not the best thing. But I think we all at one point, everyone wants to be rich and everyone wants to be thinner, no matter how thin they are.
बहुत सही बात बोली तुमने, बिल्कुल सही बात बोली तुमने. Wow, but that's quite something, huh? And ये नहीं कि तुमने कोई crash diet किया था or did you just like keep going? Discipline था, कैसे इतना weight lose किया?
नहीं, discipline था and उस वक्त क्या, honestly my appetite is huge, तो मैं कभी भी ज्यादा खा सकती हूँ. But I was a very non-sporty, non-activity kind of teenager. So I started exercising like 2 hours in a day. I wouldn't say that is healthy today, but yeah, that's how I started. And yeah, I just cut down my sugar and cut down my carbs and cut down my extras. Got more into ki ubli hui sabziyan khao, steamed veggies khao, fruits khao, egg whites khao. And that obviously when suddenly you see a drastic change, वो initial weight loss जो होता है, you then get motivated to push and push and push and push. And then I think my body also is such that I lose weight and I gain weight easily. So once I saw the difference, I stuck onto it and then the weight dropped. Once I had already reached around 65, 70 kgs, then I got confidence कि भाई कपड़े पहन सकती हो और जिम जा सकती हो. And then that helped. Very obviously.
तो तुमने around 54 kgs अपने लाइफ में लूज किए, तो कोई मैजिक मंत्र है? हर कोई यही जानना चाहता है जो भी वेट लॉस करता है कि कैसे किया, and they always wait for some magic thing that they would say कि ये किया, ये तुम करो. तो ऐसा कुछ था? What was the magic for you?
खाना, what you eat is the most important. Exercise is something, now I am also a personal trainer, I am a coach, but I have to be honest and say exercise is something that helps you health-wise, helps you shape-wise. But if you are going to eat anything and exercise and expect कि मेरा वजन कम होगा, वो कभी नहीं होगा, your diet is paramount. And it is, yes, it is your diet. You can work out 24 hours a day and eat rubbish and expect to be in top health and fitness. That's not going to happen. Also, your sleep is very important. Your stress is very important. But remember, it's not, जैसे बोलते हैं कि 30% diet है, 70% exercise है, या 30% sleep है, 10% ये है, ऐसा कुछ नहीं है. It's the entire package. But the honest answer is it's paramount importance is the food that you're eating.
All right, okay, everybody. ध्यान रखिए, आप खाते रहेंगे और वर्कआउट करते रहेंगे, ऐसा नहीं होता है. So गलतफहमी बना रहे हैं. All right, next question is कि वो कौन सी चीज है आपकी जिंदगी में या क्या आदत है जो आपने छोड़ दी है, जो पहले थी और अब नहीं है? बुरी आदत, of course.
ऐसे कोई बुरी आदत नहीं थी, बट बहुत इनएक्टिव थी मैं. मुझे अगर 500 मीटर भी ज्यादा बोल रही हूँ, मुझे 100 मीटर के लिए भी कैब और कार चाहिए था, और वो फैक्ट है. अगर पानी का ग्लास
तो देते भी थे. कैब वाली होती तो मैं बोलती सॉरी नॉट अलाउड, जाके चलो चुपचाप.
कैब वाली मेरी मम्मी को देख के बोलते ये कहाँ से आई है टाइप्स. वो चीज है. So even if there was a glass of water kept on a table and I had to bend down to pick it up, as a child I would be like नहीं, किसी को मुझे देना पड़ता था. So I would say I was lazy. Simple terms, I'm not lazy anymore. I'm very energetic.
तो खाने में भी ऐसी कोई चीज नहीं जो पहले खाती थी आप बंद कर दिया, ऐसा कुछ नहीं है?
नहीं, ऐसा कुछ नहीं. I don't think that should be the rule. I think कोई अगर ऐसे सोचेगा कि मैं ये अभी नहीं खाऊंगी, अब से कभी मैं अपने लाइफ में नहीं खाऊंगी, तो उसमें क्या मजा है? एक ही लाइफ है.
मजा है, एक ही तो लाइफ है. What yeah, I like it. I like to talk like this. Woohoo. Okay. अगला सवाल, कीटो, इंटरमिटेंट फास्टिंग जैसी डाइट्स के बारे में आपकी क्या राय है?
So the bottom line is आपको कैलोरी डेफिसिट करना है. चाहे आप कीटो करो, चाहे आप पेलियो करो, चाहे आप इंटरमिटेंट करो. Bottom line is your intake and your expenditure. That has to be in deficit. So it's my personal thing that I suggest is that whatever you're going to do, whether it's a diet or exercise, one, do something that is sustainable. क्या आप कीटो आप जिंदगी भर करोगे? क्या आप कार्ब्स जिंदगी भर नहीं खाओगे? I mean, if you can do that, then hats off to you. But I think 99.9% people cannot do that.
That's true.
Intermittent, personally, I have tried it. It works well for me because I'm not somebody who likes to eat breakfast. I can go, I can
हम
go
दोस्त
hungry.
हैं, हम दोस्त कैसे हैं?
हाँ.
Okay.
I can go hungry through the day, but रात को मुझे खाना चाहिए. So I have done intermittent, and my eating hours used to be 4 p.m. say 12 a.m. That was the time I used to eat. And in the morning I used to not eat. But then again, how many people can do that? How many people can work without intaking any food? It's what works for you at the end of the day, but bottom line is it sustainable? Are you going to do a crash diet or a fat diet for 2 months, lose the weight? Suddenly 6 months down the line, you start eating again and gain the weight back. And innumerable people have lost it and gained it, lost it and gained it. And yo-yo dieting or yo-yo exercising or yo-yo weight loss is extremely bad for health. As you grow older, it's only going to get difficult and going to be directly impact your health. So do something that is sustainable. ये नहीं कि मुझे 2 हफ्तों में ये कम करना है और शादी आ रही है या न्यू ईयर आ रहा है.
That's अब तो बस न्यू ईयर, अब तो oh my god, दिसंबर dude.
बस, और फिर जनवरी 2nd 3rd तक सब लोग जिम्स जा रहे हैं. कि how long does that last? And by the end of January
and by the end of Feb, everything's like gone. मैम आप नहीं आ रही क्या जिम मैम?
Correct. तुमने भी किया है क्या ये?
नहीं, I love workouts, Hannah. I think
नहीं, I know.
मैं तो नहीं skip करूंगी, but yeah.
Yeah, I know. I am aware of that.
Yes. Okay, अगला सवाल कि as a coach especially, you know, even if you work out, but as a coach अलग level का ये होता है, आपको लोगों को भी motivated रखना है. कभी खुद weak feel करती हो, and if that होता है तो कैसे अपने आप को motivated रखती हो?
Yeah, absolutely. I mean, there are so many times you don't want to work out. Even if you've had a long day, especially. There are days, I'm a human being, yeah? We all are human beings. We all have our spaces where we just want to chill.
Yeah, totally.
What keeps me motivated? I think the mirror. Always. That's one, and I think the trick is to show up. एक बार आप पहुंच गए, forget, I mean, not only gym, if you work out at home, if you work out outdoors, once you reach there, that's the job done. Once you get started, you're not going to leave it. So I think, can we take motivation from everyone? I guess if I'm training a 14-year-old kid and I'm seeing her कि यार exams है, फिर भी she's working out, I take motivation from that. I take motivation from maybe a client who's on vacation, but she's still working out via video call. I take motivation from that. So we get motivated from small things. When I did my Everest base camp, I used to see those Sherpas and people carrying the loads, carrying 100 kgs on their back and climbing the base camp, and we were not carrying anything and we were like grumbling. So I mean, you take motivation from small people. I see your dance videos every day and I'm like, shit, why don't I do this anymore?
That is true. तो हम एक दूसरे को ही motivate करते रहते हैं, which is
exactly
awesome. Which is actually the
and aesthetically the mirror. If I feel कि mirror में आके ठीक नहीं लग रहा है, तो then चलो, have to continue.
क्या बात है, superb. So the mirror, definitely remember that. Wait towards the end, which is 3 questions away. Top 10 fitness myths that you can't believe, that people believe.
Flat stomach in 12 days. Get your bikini body in 3 weeks.
और खाने को लेकर कोई myths?
खाने को लेके that I think मैंने ये खुद अपने बचपन से सुना है. Hot water and lemon in the morning on empty stomach makes you lose weight. Bullshit. It helps your digestion, but it does not make you lose weight. तो हम लोग सिर्फ सुबह यही पीते रहेंगे और कुछ नहीं करेंगे.
हमको लगता है पापों को धोना है तो गर्म पानी पीना है.
Correct. And all these slimming belts and massage and all that load of crap. मतलब ऐसा कोई चीज नहीं है जिसमें आप एफर्ट नहीं करोगे और वेट लॉस हो जाएगा. ऐसा कुछ नहीं है. Spot reduction is a myth. Please do not ask how do you have such a flat stomach. Can I also get it in 1 week? वो नहीं होने वाला है. Please watch Hannah's videos on her Instagram and you'll know how she gets her flat stomach. Okay, that's HAY_NAH_fit and we've also tagged her. तो please देखिए. मतलब आप देख के हाँ फुल पसीने और कैसे स्पीड से करती है क्या मालूम कैसे करती है. Okay. The next is what does Hannah's full day diet typically look like? Everything. अगर आपको लगता है कि मैं उनमें से हूँ जो खाती नहीं हूँ, वो बिल्कुल नहीं है।
तो क्या जैसे
अगर
नाश्ते में
आपको
क्या
लगता
खाओगे?
है
वो तो फेवरेट, आई नो।
अगर आपको लगता है कि मैं 7 बजे के बाद नहीं खाती हूँ, वो भी बिल्कुल गलत है, मैं खाती हूँ।
अच्छा अच्छा।
आई लव एग्स, आई लव egg whites. It's not that I find कि yolk से मोटा होता है, ऐसा कुछ नहीं है. I love egg whites. So I'm someone who can skip breakfast, like I told you. I'm not someone who needs to have a breakfast, but I need to have black coffee or green tea. Black coffee, don't have it. Green tea, you can go ahead and have it. Warm water for digestion through the day. But if I have to say, like, if I had to have a breakfast, it would be egg whites. Egg whites with veggies.
तो
And
योग
maybe a
बिल्कुल
slice
नहीं
of
खाती हो
toast.
तुम? एक भी नहीं?
मुझे पसंद नहीं है, to be
अच्छा,
honest.
पसंद नहीं है, और डरा रही है।
I don't like the taste. I don't like the taste at all.
What would you have in lunch?
And I love fruits, so I have fruits for the day. I love all kinds of fruits besides papaya.
Okay.
Don't like that fruit.
Even
What would I have for lunch? नहीं, papaya तो बिल्कुल ही नहीं पसंद है. जो भी घर का बना हुआ है, honestly. I mean, I'm Jewish, so as Jewish, we don't have meat per se. We have kosher meat, which we get maybe once in a week. So I have non-veg once in a week. I'm a lover of eggs. I can have eggs anytime. Lunch would be whatever is made at home. There's no fuss. It could be roti, chawal, dal, sabzi. ऐसा कुछ fuss नहीं है. It's more about the quantity.
Okay.
I love mirchi वाला खाना. So I don't cut my spices for my skin, etc. I just work out, so I have good skin and good genes. And lots of fruits.
Evening snack is like my favorite binge time. Like favorite nahi, matlab I feel like binging at that time the most. What do you have?
I have anything. It could be a bhel. It could be a samosa sometimes. It could be a pizza. Sometimes it could be fries. But if I, yes.
Who is this I'm talking to? Is this Hannah?
I do.
Hello?
Yes, I do.
Hello. Wrong number. Wrong Zoom call.
If you want to have a healthy snack, you could have fruits. You could have hummus and veggie sticks. You could have makhana in reasonable quantity. You could have yogurt with nuts. So there's lots of options. It's not that we don't know the options. We just reach out for the samosa, jalebi, sandwich.
Correct.
Everyone knows क्या खाना चाहिए और क्या नहीं खाना चाहिए. Everyone knows.
That is true. क्या advice देंगे आप सबको for life, for fitness? क्या कहना चाहेंगे to everybody as a coach?
For life, be happy. Always be smiling. You'll have great skin. And for fitness, to be honest, try to do some form of movement that you like. You're only going to stick to it if you like. So if you like dance, don't push yourself to keep going to the gym and do a machine. Dance to your heart's content. Be happy about it. And don't chase the scale. Because let me put it a little more scientifically. The weighing scale does not calculate your muscle and your fat. So आप scale देखते हो and maybe you're gaining muscle and losing inches. जो a lot of औरतें की आदत है बोलना कि मेरा inches जा रहा है पर मेरा scale पे weight नहीं जा रहा है. So we are not, tell me, we are not going out with our weight written on our head. Yeah, inches is more important, dude. Like I feel like really. So basically, muscle is muscle gain or reasonable muscle, lean muscle mass. Fat loss is important, not the scale. If you have the opportunity to check your fat percentage and muscle, that's a way better guide to your weight loss rather than just looking at the scale. Ditch the scale. As long as you are active, as long as you are healthy. Remember, even the thinnest people are not the most healthiest, and it doesn't mean if you're a little on the overweight side, you are unfit. Correct. That's not true.
Superb. Yeah. Love the tips. And in the end, we dance ki baat hui hai. And because Hannah, you love dance too, and we bonded over dance. Time jo hum mile. बताओ कौन सा रेडियो नशा स्पेशल गाना हम आपके लिए प्ले करें इस वक्त that we can groove to a little bit right now.
Groove करना है कि अगर workout करना है तो I have a very clear favorite.
Okay, tell me workout. Yes.
Since we are right now, I mean, I shouldn't say if you're going to tell me to dance on this, but इसका remix बड़ा चल रहा है अभी, but I still prefer the original. Tip tip बरसा पानी. You can't match the original.
Tip tip बरसा पसीना, पसीने में आग लगाई, आग लगी मसल्स में तो है ना कि हमको याद आई, हमको याद आओ. Thank you so much, Hannah. This was so much fun. बात करके मतलब this could go on and on, but I think this is a great brief talk for a lot of people to understand fitness आपके नजरिए से. So I hope you had fun too on FitStar with me.
I hope so too.
Thank you and see you soon.
Thank you. Yes, see you soon.
Bye.
Radio Nasha.